In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can take off personal blog on Instagram. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Instagram on your device and sign in to your Instagram account. Now in here, go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on the profile icon which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, go ahead and click on the edit profile button which you'll find below your bio. Click on that edit profile button and that will take you into this page where you'll be able to define your profile information. So head over to the profile information section and click on category. As you click on category, this will take you to a new page where you'll be able to reset or change the category where your professional Instagram account belongs to. So in here, just go ahead and search for personal blog. Once you have found that on the results section, click on that and disable the display on profile option which you'll find above the search field. Save these changes, and once you reload your Instagram profile, the personal blog label will be gone from your profile. Another way for you to be able to remove that is to go ahead and click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and that will take you to the settings and activity page. And here, go ahead and click on creator tools and controls and you'll be able to find this section. Go ahead and click on the switch account type button. You'll find this below cross posting. Now in here, go ahead and click on switch to personal account and confirm the switching of your professional account to personal account. Once you set your Instagram account to personal account, you won't be able to find that labels such as creator labels under your name, and that is why it is also considered a way for you to remove that personal blog label on your Instagram account.